Hey, Mitch the RV guy here, bringing you another fantastic brand new toy hauler travel trailer. This is a 2013 Powerlite. Oh, right, 23 footer. It has a beautiful gin, nice large power awning, outside marine grade speakers, floodlights, the works, and sleeping for everybody. In fact, let's go ahead and hop on into the inside here. Oh, there's your gin start right there. And voila! Guys, this is the floor plan that your wives are going to love. Not only does it have the large sleeping bed right there that goes all the way up and out of the way when you don't need it, notice the actual curved edges there. That's nice. It's just the little touches that make it nicer. You see the actual Powerlite and blackout curtains right there that take away and give you the huge windows. Not only do you have these large windows on the sides, but you got 4 windows in the back as well. That couch turns into a bed or gets up out of the way, relieving that space. You do have these beautiful couches right here that can either sit across from each other with no tables in between to create a nice conversation space, or put the tables together like this and it creates a nice large dining area. You do have large storage cabinets on both sides along with the privacy shade that can go across there. You do have a very nice speaker system with outside, inside, and just rear or front speakers. That's where your television goes. You have a nice large Dometic refrigerator freezer set up right here, in addition to more storage and rounded edges everywhere. A very nice design indeed. In fact, taking a look at the bathroom, look at just how much space this gives you inside this bathroom. There's space for miles, and there's no curtain either. That's really a nice place. Guys, BUE flooring, not vinyl. This stuff is very, very hardcore. In fact, for toy haulers, I really don't recommend getting a vinyl flooring. You're just going to get it stained and tore up and cold curled, and it's going to look like junk very, very soon indeed. Taking a look at the master bed sleeping area, look at all the room that you got. Even larger gentlemen are going to be very comfortable in there, like myself. Nice large window there for ventilation, a storage cabinet up above, and you can actually see how curved this is. It really gives you an awful lot of aerodynamics when you're going down the freeway with your vehicle, which is going to help you get gas mileage in excess of what you would with the other ones for sure. You have your Powerlite control panel right here with your security lights, your main interior ceiling. This does give you both a direct spark ignition water heaters right here, electric and propane, which is awesome. It allows you to get water heated up a whole lot faster than you would just having one or the other. You do have your nice Onan generator that runs micro quiet. That 4000 series is an 1800 RPM one. That's going to be very, very quiet indeed when you're going down the road. Not only that, it of course gives you a black tank flush, so you don't have to worry about having to stick a hose down in deep inside your toilet to try and clean it out. A nice little removable ladder that gets flat against the side when you don't need it. In addition to that, it's got a nice fuel station in the rear there in order for you to be able to fill up your gas tanks without you having to get up and take your bike to a gas station. You also have the ram vents right here so that you can actually really clear out the inside there and get some fresh air going, rather than having to deal with the exhaust fan, the exhaust smell of your vehicles when you're inside. Guys, 35 years in business. We are an A+ rated dealership with a Better Business Bureau. After 35 years, that's insane. This is our brand new dealership here in Rockland. We've been down south for over 35 years. And you know what? We're coming up here. We have absolutely no hidden fees, no hidden charges, the lowest prices you can imagine. We sell more pre-owned toy haulers than anybody. Mitch the RV guy. If you are looking for a toy hauler, travel trailer, or fifth wheel, call or text 916-459-8384. Let me personally be the one to deal with you and help you out in any way that I can, guys. And if you decide to stop by the lot, just ask for Mitch the RV guy and get service with a smile. I certainly have the inventory, and I'm hoping to hear from you real soon. Thanks, guys.